Hi, this is Dee of Dee's Crafted Cards. Today I'm doing a demo and unboxing of a large embossing die cutting machine that I found online for a pretty decent price. It was at VEVOR.com. I purchased this with my own money, so all opinions are my own. It's not sponsored by VEVOR, so let's take a look and see what we think. Comes packed in styrofoam, and it looks like the accessories are all packaged in Ziploc bags. So this is a heavy machine, around 16 pounds. So I'm gonna wrestle this off the table, unpack it, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. This VEVOR company says tough tools, half price. That must be their motto. Die cutting machine, user manual. We'll get to that one in a second. I was going to show you that on one of the styrofoams that was on the side, there is the handle and the tools to attach it, just so you know. Pretty typical of manual machines. Some you have to install yourself, others are already installed. That's with the platform down. Comes in kind of an off-white, kind of a cream color, and a pretty aqua. Handle, Allen wrench, cap, and screw. Pretty simple. The screw from falling back out on you. Turn the Allen wrench, not too tight, just tight enough. Don't strip it. Okay. I always keep my Allen wrench nearby just in case. They do come loose over time. Put the cap cover in. This handle is a nice, it's plastic, but it has a nice feel to it, a tactile feel. It's not a hard, it would be a comfortable grip. Okay, I unpacked all the accessories so as not to be too noisy on camera. Like I said, there is an instruction manual. It's pretty thin. It comes how to contact them, their customer support, contents of the machine, how to do embossing projects, die cutting projects, and troubleshooting. Pretty simple. It came with a set of 6 little dies, a package of 10 pieces of cardstock in spring colors, green, light blue, yellow, pink, and a textured white. The base plate. Let's look at the dimensions of the base plate. Approximately 12.5 inches in length and just slightly over 8.5 in width. It comes with 3 cutting plates. 2 are 3 millimeter in thickness. 1 is a 2 millimeter thickness, which I believe is the shim. There's a full-size embossing folder. This one has a Christmas theme of snowflakes and Christmas trees. It can fit a full sheet of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. On the VEVOR site, or VEVOR site, excuse me, they do not offer accessories for the machine, but they state that most large cutting plates and accessories will fit the machine. I will be right back with some extra embossing folders and some dies, and we'll try the machine out. Okay folks, I assembled a couple of intricate dies, a word die and a salad die. We'll see how this machine handles that, and then I'll show you the dies. And while I was off camera, I played with the machine a little bit and ran quite a few different dies just to see how it worked. Okay, this needs 2 shims, or the 2 standard plates and 1 shim. Okay, excuse the wobble of the table. Okay, here comes the Spellbinder intricate die. Let's see how it handled. This is an oval frame with lots of little die cutouts, which is always hard to get out. I think this is a Becca Freakin, or Feekin. I hope I'm not butchering her name. Just about every dot came out. 2 little dots right there. That's not bad, because I've sat here and used my pokey tool to pull everything out. That's really good. Here is a solid bunny die. That came out really nice. There is a word die. I think this is, well, I shouldn't even say, this could be Spellbinder or it could be Hero Arts. I'm not sure. Sorry. That came out really nice. I hope you can see that up against. And I have the Spellbinder frame die. This one is very intricate. That came out really nice. And I used 80 pounds weights cardstock on all 3 of those. I earlier did some with foil. This is the die that came with the machine. That's Michael's cardstock. I did the dog that came with the set. I did an Anna Griffin ribbon, Anna Griffin basket that has a lot of intricate little holes, and it did embossing. I don't know if you can see that. Did the ribbon. The little lavender sprigs that came in with the package. And let's run the embossing plate through. Let's see. I did do the large embossing folder, but I'll run that through again for you. That will take one base, or the base plate, of course, a 3mm plate and a 2mm plate. See how it kind of shoots out there? Because the base plate and the cutting plates are so heavy, and this is a short platform, so it kind of slides right off. But not a deal breaker. Just something to get used to. This is a thinner 65-pound weight paper. So that came out really well. And then I did it in 80-pound weight. So hopefully you can see that one a little better on the deboss side. And now I will run through an embossing envelope that has the cutouts. This embossing folder is from Spellbinders. It's a cut and emboss in one pass using the thin embossing plate. That's 2mm and the 3mm plate. That one's a little, I should have tilted that folder a little bit so it wouldn't make that noise. Here is the cutouts. There's the deboss. Cut the way it should. Now I'll try the Creative Expression 3D embossing folder. Same sandwich. I will tilt it this time. No spritzing. One pass. See, just tilting that folder just a little bit keeps it from making that popping noise. And that came out embossed completely. And there's the deboss. So I'd say on embossing it does really well. No issues with embossing, but I have one more test I'd like to try. Seeing that the manufacturer of this machine doesn't have any refills of plates or magnetic platforms, I thought I would try my old Spellbinder Fun Stamper's Journey magnetic platform to see if it fits. And their plates, which are just a little bit thicker. So I think I only need 2 plates instead of 3. And I will run an intricate die through on foil paper. That's a tighter fit. But like I said, those plates are thicker. There's that. course, you would need the pokey tool on that. Cut out really well. It did leave some shards in it. Excuse the noise. But they're easy to poke out. Not a big deal. When they are not fully cut, you can't poke them. So it cut all the big ones. There's some on the edges that I will need to scrape out. And this is a foil, and this foil, I don't know where I got this online somewhere, is a little finicky. So it's not as good as the Michaels foil. You have to work with it a little bit, but that's a good cut. So all in all, I'd say what I like about the machine is that it folds up. Although it's a big machine with a 9-inch opening, the footprint is less than 12 inches wide, and then accounting for the handle, maybe 16 inches in length, and height 6 inches. So that's not bad. You can push it out, close it up, push it out of the way. It's heavy, 16 pounds, a pretty nice handle. You won't be moving it around much because of the weight, but it has a nice soft turning handle. And the price can't be beat. It was almost half the price of the name brand machines in this type, manual, large. So far, nothing to dislike about the machine. I think it's a pretty good buy. I paid $83 with a coupon, free shipping. It took less than a week to arrive, and I believe there's a 1-year warranty. So all in all, pretty good buy. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one.